But they come back on Friday.
And can we do it again?
Let's see. But yeah, I would like to be anymore from 91 points. Yeah.
And what about the Austin circuit? Do you like coming here? Do you like meeting the fans?
I really love. This weekend is one of my favorites. The fans here you feel a lot of passion for motorsport. So I really love.
All right, guys, we're at Ducati of Austin at the pre-party for MotoGP. Well, shit, I'm gonna get flagged for music. That sucks. And there is Pekka. How cool. There he is. That's awesome.
I tried to get Charlie to come, but I was like, don't fly into the race.
There's Pekka. Oh, is that Mark? Who is that? Who's the other guy? That's sweet. Ah, you're good. That's badass. That's so sick. That is awesome. Jack Miller's bike. And over here we got Pekka. He's right over here. See if I can sneak over here again. Excuse me. There he is. That's so sick. That's so sick. Oh my god, that's sick.
Have a great weekend, folks.
Damn. Alright guys, I think we're gonna head over to Cycle Gear now. Lots of really nice bikes out here. Pekka's about to leave. So yeah, I'm about to head out and go there. So we'll see if anybody's riding out there. Look at this thing. Full car. This whole bike's carbon fiber. Jesus. Good Lord. Ha! What's up? How you doing? Will from Hardcity. How you doing, Jaret? What's going on? Wow, I'm like literally filming as you guys walk up. That's crazy. Wow. Oh, it's good. Yeah. It's up here. It's up here. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to see it. Yeah. You guys ride up here? Oh, you drove.
Pekka was actually here?
Yeah, he's up here now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have him on film, but.
Your home dealer? Your home dealership? Where do you live?
I live in Cedar Park.
Oh, okay.
I live here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm from Hardcity RainDrops YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I'm pretty sure you know who this is, right? Or,
what's up, guys?
And then Sky.
Let's do it.
Awesome, man. I can't even believe it. I'm like,
this is awesome.
yeah. Oh, it's awesome here. I love it. I moved here last year.
Yeah?
So I worked at the Tesla plant. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's a good place for bikes, man.
Oh, the roads out here are nuts. I don't know if you ever ridden out here, but
I haven't.
It's crazy. The roads are really crazy.
This is awesome. This is the event, though.
Everybody's probably going to go to either Motivation USA or Cycle Gear.
Okay.
Those are the two that everybody's going to go to now. Yo! What's up, bud? How you doing? I was trying to text you, but I was trying to meet Pekka and.
No, yeah, I got you. I went cycling here for a bit, and then I met this guy.
Okay.
I just came over here. I was like, hey, fucking my buddy's over here.
ENR1's here. you want to see the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right up here. I literally got VIP parking, sort of. I just pulled
Crazy.
in.
There's so many bikes.
Oh, dude, it's nuts. It's nuts here.
That one's really good.
There she is. There's the, I got those, what are they called? They're Pekkas, are gonna hit my bike. That's nuts. Alright guys, so I'm still over here at Ducati of Austin. There's Jaret Campisi there, Manny from Motomillion over there, and I just shot flame. We started up the bike and it was just ridiculously loud. So it was a lot of fun. But they're just hanging out. I don't know, I'm probably gonna head out though in a few minutes. Just because I want to go to Motivation USA, and I think those guys are busy. And we'll catch up with them during the weekend and stuff like that. But I will, I can't really do too much vlogs here because of the music. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But we'll go to the next place, and I'll see you guys there. Good morning. It is now the next morning out here in Austin. The weather's not looking super awesome, but I still think the rain and the actual storms are going to miss us. So I'm going to get the bike out and just clean it up a little bit and head over to the track and get ready and, you know, get to Ducati Island. I slept a little late. It's like almost 10 o'clock now, so you know, I just was tired, man. It was such a long day, and I was just whooped. So I needed to get a little extra sleep in. But yeah, I'm gonna uncover the bike and let the alarm blare because I'm an asshole, and that's awesome. Yeah, so it was a long ass day of just riding, and then a long night over there at Ducati of Austin, which was an awesome party. It was so cool to meet Jaret, Campisi, and Manny. Those two guys they were super nice, just like they are in the videos. I mean, just like probably how I am in my videos when you guys meet me. It was just cool that they took the time to talk to me, and Jaret's got some video of revving the bike that should be on his Instagram whenever he gets around to doing that and making his videos. I don't know if, well, yeah, because we've talked about how we both hate editing videos, and which is why we both enjoy just making them as raw and uncut as we possibly can, because I'll be pretty honest with you guys, editing sucks. It's not fun to do. I mean, like, some people may enjoy it, but like I don't enjoy it, especially when you edit for like 3 hours and then the video gets like 10 views. It's like, cool, I did all that for nothing. But anyway, that takes care of day one. It's now the next day, but just wanted to, you know, say that and thank you to Manny and Jaret for, you know, coming in to Austin and talking to me and showing in the vlog and stuff. And we'll be catching up with those guys more this weekend at the track, so that's going to be cool to hang out with those guys, you know. So those are two people more. Jaret, 650E more or less, couldn't make it, so that sucks. He was somebody I was really looking forward to meeting. But, you know, Jaret, I've been watching his videos since for a long time, guys. I mean, a long time. So yeah, it was cool to meet those guys. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow the links below for MONI Moto and Raven Moto, and all those links below that'll help you get some discounts and stuff. All those links will be below. And yeah, I really don't want to ever get caught in a storm, but I don't know if I'm gonna have a choice. I think there's a fire alarm or something. Sweet. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, there's a lot of footage I have still too on the GoPro that I didn't put out, so there's gonna be another section of this video, like an uncut version from the GoPro. So I'll probably put all that together in one video. But anyway, guys, again, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.